So that guy's stuck.
Travel ban will be lifted.
This guy's got to shovel himself out down there.
I don't know. He's coming this way, maybe.
You want to go back down?
Nice. Woo!
We'll make it eventually. Now I gotta get him out. Hey, no YouTube. Here, hold this for a picture. Yeah, I think he's gonna back trouble.
Oh, he's gonna get stuck. Oh, he's gonna get stuck. Oh, he's stuck. Go.
Oh no.
Oh, he is buried. No way!
2. Yep.
Oh, both snowplows are stuck.
You gotta get your truck safe. Oh, I gotta go offload that on a tractor. Hey, party at Terry's house tonight.
Oh yeah, he's in there deep.